Today's little job is to put that bastard in place of that broken bastard. And I saw a YouTube and it said I had to take the blessed steering wheel off. But I know I don't have to. It's a lot easier than far-narcling with airbags and steering wheels and getting that all cocked up and hand grenaded in your face. There's that screw, and there's its buddy on the other side, which you'll get when you turn the steering wheel round the other way, and that screw. Take those three out and the bottom shroud will come off with a bit of suggestion, and then you can drop the steering wheel down and pop the top cover off. You don't have to take the top cover out, just get it so you can manhandle it. Anyway, I'll now take some screws out and we'll go to the next step. There's the other screw that's got to come out. Grab my screwdriver. Easy peasy. So, just like that. And I usually dump it, screws down there where I don't lose them. Now, at this point, you can do that. So you can reach up and get that out. If you push the lever up a little bit, you can now get rid of that altogether. Now, there it is there. You don't get a lot of freedom with the top shroud, but it will pop up like that. Now you can see a square hole in that metal bracket. That square hole marries up with that tag or catch, and the trick is you push on the square in the middle of the square with a flat blade screwdriver to unlatch it and pull it out. Just for clarity, I've just pulled that up. It will bend and flex a little bit, but you'll get it out. And I'll go like that. You'll see that square that needs to be attacked by a flat blade screwdriver to get that down. Now it helps if you turn the steering wheel around, so you can just go and push that, and it pops out just like that. So. And then we have that tag there, and that will then allow you to pull that out. Too easy. Now this is the new one, and it just plugs in where that one came off, and it just comes up, slides on. Happy days. And now we have headlights. Happy days. Just to finish up, putting it all back together is just basically the reverse of taking it apart. Too easy. Have a good day.